Hey y'all, Miss Brown here. I'm not sure if you're going to be, okay, there I am. I was like, where am I? Okay, y'all, so I got my mask on because I got kids in my class still, so I'll try to talk loud. So I don't believe I did a video at all this week, so I'm going to do all my videos right now, and I will start with Monday. So let me hop into my dashboard, and don't forget you can use this week button, so I always change the button. So week 8, so it'll bring you right to the module. So let me switch my calendar. Always looking over at my calendar and it's not ready to go. So Monday, October 5th. It's like slowpoke today. Okay, so Monday, October 5th, we started with electrons and we did a little bit of Jamboardism. So give me a sec. I'm actually going to end the WebEx I have going on, y'all, because my computer's running pretty slow. So give me a minute. Okay, y'all, back again, and I am so happy I checked because I already did a video for Monday. Okay, so Tuesday, October 6th, it was a quick and easy day. So what we did on Tuesday, so y'all, I think I might actually do my Tuesday, Wednesday videos together. So on Tuesday, what we did was I had y'all assess and revise pages 14 to 20. So what I did was I included a Google Drive folder that has all the answer keys for pages 14 through 20. Just be mindful that page 19 and 20 I have as one document on the answer key, because what I did was I took this worksheet and I broke it up into a second page. So on page 19 here, if I pull it up, you're going to see that it actually has both this side and this beginning part on it. So that's why it only says through page 19. So yeah, what y'all are going to do is you're going to look at each of these pictures, and in a different color, preferably, you're going to correct your journal. So you're going to go through, you're going to look at the answer key, you're going to fix your journal. I like to mark stuff wrong. I don't like a lot of correct marks. So if it's correct, leave it alone. And if it's wrong, just put an X and fix it. If you don't know automatically, oh, duh, I messed up on this, then email me, ask somebody, because you want to make sure that you understand the material. So that is what we did on Tuesday, October 6th. And then I introduced episode 2 of the podcast. So if you were done, you can get started on episode 2. So go here for the essential questions, which we talked about on Monday. And there's 3 essential questions, and I added 2 more for a total of 5. So in your podcast, you're going to identify an element based off of its atomic structure. You're going to tell us how to calculate the mass of an atom using protons, neutrons, and what are valence electrons. And then also you're going to tell me how can you find protons, neutrons, electrons, and how can you discuss the similarities and differences. So that's what you're going to do for your podcast. And it's the same thing as before. So I have this rubric here to show you. So you are going to, you already have your cover slide, so I took that off. You're going to update any red fonts. It's going to be between 3 and 6 minutes. Make sure that your audio file is accessible. So make sure when you go to your Google Drive, you right click and share with GCISD. And then I have 5 essential questions. So I bumped this up to 50 instead of the 30 because you have 5 essential questions. And then don't forget, you need the resource slide page. So the first slide, which is technically going to be slide 6, should be like what your episode is with a preview of your episode. Then the next slide, which will be slide 7, should be your podcast with the link to your little volume with the podcast. And then the third slide, which will be slide 8, will be your resource slide page. And then don't forget, is your podcast fun, informative? Did you add music? Did you have a guest star? Did you add advertisements? And that will be worth 10 points. So that's all we did on Tuesday, October 6th. So now I'm going to talk to you about what we did today on Wednesday, October 7th. So what we did today was we watched our friend Robin Reaction again. We watched a video about her in valence electrons. This is about 9 minutes, and you're going to watch the whole entire video this time. Then this is a discussion post. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick 3 of the sentence stems. So you're going to reply to the discussion with 3 of these sentence stems. So y'all, this is on page 24 of your journal. And then there's a ticket to leave at the bottom you'll do as well. So you guys are just going to pick any 3 of these, and you can literally copy and paste it. So copy and then paste it into the discussion and then fill it in. So a sentence stem is when you use the sentence and you fill in the blanks. So the octet rule states you'll go hit reply, paste that in, and then finish the sentence. And then pick 2 more for a total of 3. Please put all in one discussion post. Don't do 3 separate ones. And then that's it for that. And then next, you are going to do page 24, the ticket to leave at the bottom. So let me get there, right here. So that has all the sentence stems again for you, and you're going to do this ticket to leave on the bottom. And the ticket to leave says, what's a valence electron? How do you find valence electrons, and what are they responsible for? And then you're going to do page 25. And that's what we did today, Wednesday, October 7th. And remember, upload it to your never-ending slideshow always. And then here's a little checklist. Did you do your video discussion post, page 24, page 25, and upload it to your slideshow? And that's it, y'all. While I'm here, and since this is a little short one, I will show you what you're going to do tomorrow, October 8th, when I'm out. So you are going to get started working on your podcast, and everything that I just said, that's what you guys are going to do. So you're going to set up 3 slides. Last episode 1, it was your slide 4, 5, 6. So this time it will be 7, 8, 9. You probably don't want to be recording your podcast because it might be loud in here, but you can start working on your script. You can set up your slideshow, and you can do your resource slide. So y'all, I put my example here to show you what I was talking about. So you already have all this done. This was episode 1, episode 1, episode 1. So now slide 7, 8, 9 is going to be your episode 2. So I grabbed a different slide from the bottom. I even changed the background. Don't forget, you're going to put in where it's red. So you're going to put your episode description. Then here's your thing. Notice how it says episode 2, my new episode podcast link. It's not really my podcast. And then the last one is your brand new resource page. So remember, you're using Cloud Audio Recorder. You can access that through Google, but I put a little video here to remind you. But let me show you. You just go to New, More, and then Cloud Audio Recorder. And if you click on that, it will bring you right to the website, and you can record your audio from there. I don't know what that is. Let me hit cancel. So let me go to my drive. Drive. New. More. Once it loads. Dun, 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 dun. I feel like it's a Jeopardy episode, y'all. Like, seriously, waiting for my computer to load. It's like cray-cray. But y'all know what I mean. I just showed you. You went more, and then you go to Cloud Audio Recorder, and then if you hit it and your computer is not running so slow, it will actually bring you to that website. But like I said, y'all can watch that little 1.5-minute video Miss Grace Ekwu made for y'all. Right here. So right here, she shows you.
And this is already on your computer, no recorder.
So right here, she shows you.
New. And hover over more, you'll find Cloud Audio Recorder. It's a Google.
And then it brings you right there, y'all. So that's what you're doing tomorrow. My remote learners don't need to sign on. And I'll see y'all on Friday. So in this little video segment, I did Tuesday, October 6th, Wednesday, October 7th, and Thursday, October 8th. Okay, that's it, y'all. I will see you on Friday. Adios, hasta mañana, avida zen, sai chen, namaste. And you fill my buckets each and every day, overflowing. Bye, y'all.